Hello there, I am Geçvakit1. When building AngularJS application, one of the cornerstones we will use is ngRepeat. Showing data is something that we do in application like when we show a table of users or whatever other data we need to show our users. In this video, we'll be looking at a way to sort and filter our tabular data. Our application will allow us to first show a show a table of data. We use ngRepeat for this. Second, sort by ascending or descending columns. We use order by for this. Third, filter by using a search field. We use filter for this. Okay, these are three common functions in any application and AngularJS. Let us implement these features in a very simple way. Let's set up our sample applications, HTML and Angular parts, and then look at how we can sort and filter. Let's start coding and let's take a look at the Angular module first. Okay, open app.js. This will be a simple module with one controller where we define a few variables and the list of data. Let's define a module var app angular.module. Name is my app. Okay. And define a controller. App.controller. Name is my controller and a function. Okay. Set the default sort type. $scope dot sort type. Sort type is by default name. Okay, and set the default sort order. $scope dot sort reverse. Default false. Default by false. Okay, and set the default search filter term. $scoop search name. Okay. And create the list of name roles. Okay. $scoop dot names is a array and name is Geçvakit1 and surname is Sir Geçvakit1. Okay, and duplicate this line. Enough. Okay, and update this R Geçvakit1 and B Geçvakit1 T N A. Okay. Okay. We have set the two variables and list of names. Now let's use the model in our HTML. Control S and open index.html. Okay. In a body tag and define a div. And close the div. Okay. And define class container. Okay. And ng app is my app and ng controller is my controller. Okay. This class from the bootstrap is here. Okay. Now define another div and class alert info. Close the div. Okay. And sort type is data binding sort type. Okay. And sort reverse is sort reverse. Okay. Last search query is search name. Okay. And now let's define a table for list of names. This area. Define a table. Okay. Table. And T head and T body. Okay. And define a new line, also row, and define a column name. Okay. And surname. Okay. This is T head area. Okay. Now I will. Okay. And now let's define a T body area and I will use ng repeats in T body. Okay. T body is here and define a row and use ng repeat. Okay. And in names. Names is array and names. Okay. And td data bind and dot name and td data bind and dot surname. Surname. Okay. Close the table tag. Let's see how it looks. Ctrl S and show in Explorer, open index.html and okay, name, surname, and didn't work. Okay, I forget it. Dollar scope in function controller. Dollar scope written. Okay, now refresh it. Is here. Also, I forgot it. Table class is here. Now it says sort type name, sort reverse false, and search query is here. And name get bucket 1, R get bucket 1, B get bucket 1 is here. And add a break is here. Control S and refresh it is here. Great! We have the list of data displayed all nicely for our users. Now, let's offer them some functionality by letting them sort the table, and we will be accomplishing this sorting feature using two of the variables that we created earlier. For example, $scope.sortTable and $scope.sortReverse. We will also be using the Angular order by filter. Basically, applying a combination of sort type and sort reverse variables to an order by clause in our ngRepeat will sort the table. Okay, let's start, and I will add to ngRepeat code in index.html. Okay, open index.html. This is a ngRepeat line tr. Okay, and I will add to order by. Okay, this is order by and sort type and sort reverse. Sorry. Okay, that's all. We need to change the sort order of our ngRepeat. If you refresh your page, you will see that your list is sorted by name in normal order. Let's see. Ctrl S and refresh it. Okay. B get bucket 1, get bucket 1, and R get bucket 1. This is sort type is name. Okay. Now go into our Angular module and change the sort type variable to. Okay. Name is here and change to surname and Ctrl S and refresh it. Okay. Surname is here and Asur get bucket, Sur get bucket 1 and Tsur get bucket. Okay. This change A is here, Ctrl S and refresh it is here. B is here. Okay. Changed. Now, the next step is to change the headings of our tables so that they will change the sort type variable. That will automatically sort our table without refreshing the page. Okay, we'll be adding links to our table headings. Let's look at the t-head section of our site and use ng-click to adjust the sort type variable. Okay. Open index.html and let's update it t-head section in index.html. Okay. Is here. And td area, first td area is here and delete it. Now define a tag and ref is sharp and ng clicked is here. Ng clicked is sort type. Okay. Sort type name. Okay. And name is here and okay. And add a span tag. Okay. Ng show. I will use ng show. Okay. And sort type. If sort type equal name. Okay. Sort type. Okay. Name. And define a class. fa caret down. Close the span. Okay, Control S and refresh it. Is here. Okay. Refresh it. Geç vakit 1, B geç vakit 1, R geç vakit 1 and click it. B geç vakit 1, R geç vakit 1 is sorted. Okay. Now is also design a surname td. Control copy and pasting. Ng click is sort type is surname and sort type if equal surname. Okay. Control S. Now, as you click the links across your table headers, you will see your table sorted since we are setting the sort type variable using ng-click. Okay. And refresh it. Okay. I forget it. Surname. Control S and refresh. Okay. Okay. Surname clicked is a sorted surname for surname and name is a name sorted surname. The last part of this tutorial will deal with filtering the table of data. Filtering the table, filtering the data in an ng repeat is fairly easy since Angular also comes with the filter module. Okay, there are only two things we need to do here. First, create the form. Second, apply the form variable to do ng repeat. Okay, let's create the form first. Okay, under the table is here and create the form. Okay, delete this is and define a div. Class is form group. close the div. Okay. And another div, let's define, close the div. And this div class is input group. Input group. Okay. And now, okay, define a div, close the div, and class is input group album. Album. And define a I tag. Okay. And class is fi fi search. Okay. And let's define an input for search. Type is text. And class is form control. Control and a placeholder edit search. And now define a ng model and a search name and close the input tag. Okay, with that variable bound and ready to go, all we have to do is apply it to our ng repeat. Ng repeat area is here, and let's define a filter. Filter name is search name. Okay, Control S and let's see, is it working? Refresh it. Search area is here and form area. Control S and under the table. Okay, Control S and refresh it. Search area is here. Search query is here. And now, okay, this is 8K. Okay, now delete B. Okay, this is B and deleted T. Okay, T is here. Okay, and R. Okay, B. Okay, and name and surname. Okay. Using some built-in Angular tools like ngRepeat, order by, filter, ngClick, and ngShow, we've been able to build a clean and fast table of data. This is a great look at the power that Angular has in building some great functionality into your own applications without too much work. Thanks for watching.